Imagine waking up in the morning, putting your feet on the floor, and feeling that sharp, persistent ache that makes you wince. That ache can really ruin your day, can't it? Foot pain and swelling are more common than you might think, but they don't have to slow you down. There are practical, easy-to-follow home remedies that can help relieve that discomfort and get you back on your feet, literally. In today's video, we're going to break down some simple, effective strategies to treat foot pain and swelling at home. We'll cover ways to soothe those aching feet, reduce inflammation, and maybe even prevent the pain from happening in the first place. Let's dive in. 1. Use ice for quick relief. If you've ever sprained your ankle or had an intense workout, you probably know the power of ice. Ice is your best friend when it comes to reducing foot pain and swelling. Wrapping an ice pack in a towel and applying it to the sore area for 15-20 minutes can help reduce inflammation and numb the pain. For a hands-free version, try a frozen water bottle, place it on the floor, and roll your foot over it. Not only will this relieve foot pain, but it also targets specific issues like plantar fasciitis. Just remember, never put ice directly on your skin, it can cause frostbite. Wrap that ice in a towel, and you're good to go. 2. Over-the-counter pain relief. Pain and inflammation are a tough combo, especially when they hit your feet. That's where over-the-counter non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, like aspirin and ibuprofen, come in. These medications help manage both pain and inflammation, making them perfect for conditions like arthritis, gout, or even just tired, swollen feet. If you decide to go this route, be sure to take them with food or a glass of milk to avoid stomach upset. And a quick tip: skip the alcohol while you're on these meds, it can increase the risk of stomach issues. 3. Check your footwear. Sometimes, the problem is right on your feet. Wearing uncomfortable or ill-fitting shoes can lead to all kinds of issues, from arch pain to swollen feet and even ingrown toenails. Look for shoes that provide plenty of room for your toes, good arch support, and a thick, cushioned sole. If you suffer from plantar fasciitis, consider investing in wide shoes with cushioned insoles. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in your day-to-day comfort. And remember, comfortable shoes are worth the investment, not just for your feet but for your entire body. 4. RICE method. For sprains. For injuries like sprains, you can turn to the RICE method, which stands for rest, ice, compression, and elevation. If you've rolled your ankle or twisted your foot, give it the rest it needs. Avoid walking or putting pressure on it, and use ice packs intermittently for the first 48 hours. Next, wrap a compression bandage around the injury to reduce swelling, but make sure it's not too tight. Finally, elevate the injured foot above your heart level when you're sitting or lying down. This position helps with swelling and encourages healing. RICE can really speed up the recovery process and get you moving again sooner. 5. Elevate your feet. Even if you haven't had a sprain, simply elevating your feet can work wonders for sore or swollen feet. After a long day, propping your feet up on a footstool or even on a pile of pillows can help reduce swelling. This is especially important if you spend long hours standing or if you're pregnant, as pregnancy often leads to fluid buildup in the feet. Get into the habit of elevating your feet whenever possible. Your feet deserve a break, too. 6. Stretch it out. Keeping your feet flexible and strong is essential for avoiding pain. Regular stretching can help prevent painful arches and issues like plantar fasciitis. Let's start with a couple of easy exercises. Toe curl. Place a towel on the floor, sit down, and place your foot on the towel. Now, curl your toes to scrunch up the towel towards you. It sounds simple, but it's great for stretching those foot muscles. Marble pickups. For this one, put a few marbles in a small cup on the floor. Using your toes, pick up the marbles and place them in the cup. This little exercise helps strengthen your foot muscles and improve dexterity. And don't forget about your calves. Tight calf muscles can lead to sore feet, so stretch them out by standing a few feet away from a wall, leaning in with one leg forward and the other straight back. You'll feel a nice stretch in your calf. Hold it for 10-30 seconds, then switch sides. 7. Give your feet a warm bath. There's nothing quite as relaxing as a warm foot bath after a long day. Fill a basin with warm water and, if you like, add a bit of Epsom salt. Epsom salts contain magnesium, which can help soothe muscle aches and reduce swelling. Soak your feet for 15-20 minutes and let the warm water melt away the tension. This simple remedy is a wonderful way to unwind, while also treating your feet with a little TLC. 8. The final word on home remedies for sore feet. Foot pain and swelling can slow you down, but these simple home remedies offer effective, affordable ways to relieve that discomfort. By paying attention to the signals your feet are sending and using methods like ice packs, stretches, comfortable footwear, and even foot baths, you can make a big difference in how you feel. Just remember, not all remedies work for everyone. Listen to your body and experiment with these options to see what works best for you. And of course, if you have persistent pain or any serious issues, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. Conclusion: our feet are our foundation, carrying us through each day, often without complaint. Taking a little extra time to care for them can help you feel better, move better, and live better. Try these remedies next time your feet are sore, and give yourself a well-deserved break. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more easy, practical health tips. Here's to happy, healthy feet.